In this question, we're asked to show that x squared plus 1.6x minus 24.36 may be expressed in the form x plus p minus 25, where p is a constant whose value is to be found. Hence, we are asked to solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 1.6x minus 24.36 equals 0. So initially, this first part of the question is asking us to complete the square. So let's just start by completing the square. X squared plus 1.6x minus 24.36 is equal to, completing the square, I've already got a single x term, so we can go straight into putting it into the bracket, half of the x coefficient, so half of plus 1.6 is plus 0.8, all squared, minus the constant inside the bracket squared, minus 24.36. Okay, so now starting to tidy it up, x plus 0.8 squared, 0.8 times 0.8, or 8 times 8 is 64, and since there are two decimal places when I do 0.8 times 0.8, I get an answer of minus 0.64, minus 24.36, and so we can indeed write it in the form specified, x plus 0.8, so p is 0.8 minus 25. The second part of it says, hence solve the quadratic equation. So how we're going to do this is we're going to rewrite that quadratic equation. So instead of it being x squared plus 1.6x minus 24.36, we're going to write it in completed square form, which is x plus 0.8 squared minus 25. And this is all equal to 0. So now solving this equation, I'm going to add 25 to both sides. So I'll get x plus 0.8 squared equals 25. We're going to square root both sides. Please remember that it is plus and minus the square root because we want two solutions. So I'll get x plus 0.8 equals plus or minus 5. And then finally, I want to subtract 0.8 from both sides to leave x as the subject. So I'll get x equals minus 0.8 plus or minus 5. Just make sure at the end you explicitly state your solutions. So minus 0.8 plus 5 will give us 4.2. And minus 0.8 minus 5 gives us minus 5.8. Okay, so let's have a look and see how the marks are awarded in this question. So initially, we get a standalone mark for demonstrating that we get the bracket x plus 0.8 squared. And then we get a standalone mark if there is a convincing argument. So really you need to show the full working, 0.8 squared and squaring, etc., in order to show that the 25 is correct as well, because we've been asked to show that this can be expressed in this form. Next, there is a method mark for rearranging and getting that 0.8 squared is equal to 25. Sorry, x plus 0.8 squared is equal to 25. There is then finally just an answer mark for each of these correct solutions. Okay, well I hope you understood the solution and that you understood how to mark it.